Between January 14 and 19, bushfires and powerful storms swept through Western Australia, leaving trails of destruction in their wake. One significant incident involved the 220 kV transmission feeder line to Kalgoorlie, where 5 towers were brought down during the storm. We were able to restore power to Kalgoorlie-Boulder area through a combination of Western Power Network assets, Synergy's backup generator and a local privately owned generator. The feeder line to the goldfields is a critical piece of infrastructure, so time was of the essence and our teams sprang into action.
Despite the remote location and challenging ground conditions, our engineers, crews and local contractors have been working tirelessly to restore this vital link. Logistically, this operation has required meticulous planning and execution, from establishing temporary access roads to setting up on-site mobile facilities for our crews. Every aspect has been thoughtfully managed to ensure continuous progress. Our engineering and design teams created solutions that make it as quick and safe as possible for the on-site crews to construct. We also created a material list with a particular focus on using alternatives that we had in stock. Specialist crossarms to go on the poles had to be designed and fabricated. Local specialist contractors helped to manufacture and transport the crossarms to site by Tuesday evening, just 5 days after the transmission towers went down.
We've undertaken extensive drilling into hard rock to secure new foundations, ensuring the structures are robust and resilient. The rebuild involves drilling into rock to install 12 32-metre high steel poles along the 2.5 kilometre worksite. Following this, crossarms will be fitted, conductors strung, moved and clipped as required, and additional earth wires strung. Final checks have been undertaken and energisation of the line has been completed. Understanding the complexity of such large-scale operations, we've put comprehensive backup plans in place. Specialist crews have been on standby, equipped to handle any mechanical issues or unforeseen challenges. We've been coordinating with DFIS, Department of Fire and Emergency Services, and local authorities to ensure a coordinated effort, minimising any disruptions to the community while maximising efficiency on site. Every step has been taken with 2 goals in mind: safety and speed. We've worked day and night in shifts to safely complete these works.
We understand the importance of this line to the people of Kalgoorlie and the surrounding regions. Every action is being taken to complete works as swiftly and as safely as possible. But of course, we couldn't have achieved this restoration without the contribution of our suppliers and the hard work of our people, and the support and patience of the community, landowners, our customers and stakeholders.